It's officially Scorpio season, so what better way to celebrate our fierce glamours than with our brand new Shadow Me palette. Not only are these shades fit for our Scorpio queens, they're also perfect for everyone for the holiday season. This one-of-a-kind palette has 3 mattes and 6 shimmers that'll make you feel magnetic and powerful. And of course, it comes in this stunning Scorpio packaging, so it'll look extra cute on your vanity. If you want to see how to get this look using these shades, keep watching. To start off this fiery look, I'm applying the shade Attractive to my crease, then softly winging it out. Next, I'm taking Loyal and adding that to my outer corner for more depth. Then, I'm packing the shade Intelligent all over my lids to add a pop of shimmer to the look. Next, I'm going back to Loyal and applying that along my upper lash line for more definition. Then, I'm smudging Intelligent on my lower lash line and creating a cat eye in the inner corner. To finish up the eyes, I'm applying mascara and lashes. To complete this Scorpio-inspired look, I'm applying my LiveGlam Kiss Me Lippy in Honey Bun. We want to see your spicy looks using this palette, so give us a tag on Instagram with the hashtag LiveGlamFam for a chance to be reposted. Stay glam!